How to stop Firefox update notifications. I have Firefox 56, the last good version of the browser, where things I need in terms of performance and functionality both still work. I'm not going to update, ever. There are other browsers out there, but Firefox worked so well for scripting. Anyhow, Firefox keeps alerting me about updates. I have turned the updates off in About column preferences, but Firefox keeps bugging me with notifications like this. And this. I don't want to keep getting bothered by notifications. How do I make them stop?
This is just extension of previous answer. Find the user preference file, named as prefs.js, in user-specific folder. Windows, %appdata %\mozilla /firefox /profiles /xyz. Default \pref.js. Linux, \.mozilla /firefox /xyz. Default \pref.js. Then add these following 3 lines. These preferences are of the Boolean type. If you find any of these lines are already present, replace that with the following. Also, if you want to remove the update URL, add these 3 lines. These preferences are string type. If these don't work, delete / move these 3 files. Update settings.ini, updater.ini, updater.exe, updater in Linux.
From experimenting with Firefox config, just as a possible addition or alternative when solutions that have previously been suggested here are not enough. After opening the About column config, typing About column config into the address bar and then pressing Enter, apply either or both of the following config items. Search for app.update.silent, then set it to true. Search for app.update.url, then change it to a fake non-existent URL. For example, if the original is https://aus5.mozilla. I changed it to xxx/https://xxxaos5.mozilla.
For others, a simpler solution if you are just annoyed by that second type of notification, you can do this in About column config by setting app.update.doorhanger to false.
I had the same question. I assume that you want to completely disable the updates, otherwise you won't opt the option to disable automatically install updates option from the settings and won't get the notification at all. Well, actually, if you truly want to disable auto update, you can add a policy. To add a policy, follow the steps. Go to the Firefox installation directory for any supported OS. Create a directory called distribution. Change directory into distribution. Create a file called policies.json. And paste this code. Save the file and quit the editor. Restart Firefox if it's already running. To confirm, you can go to the URL About column policies and check if there's an entry like this. After you are done, from the menu help about nightly you get to see this. When you want to update, you may set the Boolean value to false. Reading more about policies. For documentation, you can read the options here in About column policies #documentation. You can learn more about how to add policies here. Hope this helps.
Future is